I can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence, I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Here, right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up, 'cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong.
Good morning, y'all. We are finishing up. Well, I am getting ready so we can go to the state fair. So you all will be seeing that next. And I ain't putting too much makeup on because it's gonna be hot outside. I mean, it feels nice right now. Oops. Because like I said, it got down in the I think it was 49 or 50 this morning when we got up. So it dropped down just like they said it was going to. So like I said, we're finishing up and then we're going to head on over to the fair. So I'll see y'all here in a bit. All right, y'all. So we are ready. I'm going to go ahead and go get the car and make sure we've got everything we need. It's just me and the two boys. Hubby decided he didn't want to go, but that's all right. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go on to the fair.
Yeah. World peace.
When the pleasure is extreme on a secret love, and the people wanna make it fun, we are losing control on the floor tonight.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
Lock the car right now.
Yep.
In this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
His mom wanted to come here to look at the stuff inside.
Oh, look at those quilts.
I think
That one's pretty. Huh? like a Bolognese.
There's me doing it.
Best of breed. They're all sold too. Oh, he's pretty. The giant Flemish are the ones I like.
Talk in just a minute. This white goat, I love her circumference bone. She's busted.
Aren't you cute?
Wide open.
Yes, you are.
This goat's just a nigger
Huh?
breed.
I said you can give them
Needs
pets.
a little more time.
Can you? I didn't think
But
you could.
with that being said, guys, she's not supposed to be done yet. She's not supposed to be right. She's too young. Same thing back here. It's a bone and a little more outfield from the side of the red.
Yeah, I'm with UPS, Unicycle Postal Service.
Is that a new branch?
Yes,
It's a new branch.
You know they're combining FedEx and UPS.
Where's your trailer at?
You know they're combining FedEx and UPS?
Really?
Yeah, fed up.
Fed up? Yeah.
Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi. They're all snoozing.
They're either eating or sleeping.
I think he's dreaming.
I ain't dreaming. I love how that they link to this sleep.
Oh. Alright y'all, so we are done with the fair. Now we're heading to Walmart to go pick up the groceries and maybe even go look inside the store for a little bit. We might go into Dollar Tree as well. Drop Josh off, but Leo is still with me. But yeah, that's where we're going now, is to the Walmarts. See you in a bit.
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back lately?
Alright y'all, so we are home. I have been everywhere. We didn't get to go into the Dollar Tree though, which is a bummer, but I was tired after being at the fair all day and I was so ready to come home. But we just did a grocery haul, so I got that filmed, and now I need to put all of this away and think about supper, which we might just go and pick up something for supper tonight. But yeah, So you will see what we get for supper here in a little bit, but I got to get all this stuff put away. All right, so I thought I would flip you around and show you everything that we got. This is called being out in the heat. Everything that we got at the fair when we went this morning. So let me flip you around and show you everything. Right, so this was all underneath like our agricultural side, local shops around Greenbrier County and West Virginia. So, well, in a lot of counties. So I should say Greenbrier County, surrounding counties, and the state of West Virginia. So this guy, it's called Mike's Munchies. It's West Virginia company. Let me see where he said he was from. Right here. So it's right on Shoestring Trail in Lewisburg. There is his Gmail. You can follow him on Facebook and everything. If you want to scan that QR code right there, you can. But this is all freeze-dried goodies. So these are tahini frittles, of course. So they're just freeze-dried Skittles, but they have the tahini seasoning on them. But y'all, these are so good. So definitely check out Mike's Munchies. They have all kinds of them. They got the peach rings, they've got the gummy worms, all kinds of stuff. Then we picked up some Sassy Gals gourmet treats. These are apple pie moonshine roasted pecans. There is her information. So she's local as well. But these were absolutely delicious. So good. And no, that's all done with. And then we also picked up, they had a lavender tea, which I didn't get, but I did pick this up, which I'm so excited about. These are lavender chocolate chip brownie mixes. So it's like 1 pound and 4 ounces of mix. It gives you the instructions and everything on here, but this is the information of the company, Blackthorn Estates. They're right out of Sugar Grove, West Virginia. And it tells you everything, you know, how to make them and everything, but it's got lavender in it. Y'all, I wouldn't have expected it to be as good as it was. These were absolutely delicious. And then another one from the Sassy Girls was this French dill. You mix it with a whole container of sour cream. Of course, it tells you back here it's 16 ounces of sour cream or 16 ounces of cream cheese if you want to make like a cheese ball. But this is everything that is in it. Here is her information again if you want to do the Sassy Gals treats. But this was so good. We got to taste test them with some pretzel sticks. So good. Highly recommend that. And of course, you can't go, you know, without getting some honey or some homemade maple syrup. This is M&S Maple Farm. They had maple cream. They had, of course, maple syrup. They had maple spun cotton candy, all kinds of stuff. This is a rye whiskey barrel aged maple syrup. Y'all, when I tasted this as a sample, I was blown away. That's all I can say. But here is their information. Upper Tract, West Virginia. There is their phone number. Don't know if they have a website or not, but if they do, it would probably be M&S Maple Farm. But definitely try and see if you can find it, because there it is, West Virginia grown again. We tested some coffee out there too. This is just right up the road from us. It's in Renwick, West Virginia. They get the beans from Papua New Guinea, of course, but then they roast them and everything up there, and then they grind it, and it's called Mountain Table. But this one is, I like it when you call me Big Pawpaw. So it's a medium dark ground. You get 12 ounces of it. Let's see. I was hoping the information would be on there, but I'm sure it's just Mountain Table. I'm sure you could probably Google them and do the Renwick, West Virginia to find anything. And I picked up this. I've been wanting this for a while, but we have a local pottery place, and it's called Pottery by Marianne. It's in Union, West Virginia. She's been doing this since 2009, and there's her name and her verse that she puts on her cards, which I think is so cool. But there's that QR code if you want to scan it. There is her emails and everything right there, but you can also go on Facebook, find Pottery by Marianne as well. She hand does every single piece that she makes, and this is one that I picked up today. Is it just not absolutely gorgeous? And she signs the bottom of them as well. So I was so excited to get this beautiful piece by her. So y'all definitely go check out everything for her as well. It's Pottery by Marianne. It's out of Union, West Virginia. And I also picked up these earrings from her as well. Is that not cute? They are so light. They're absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that was everything that we picked up. We had a great time. Of course, y'all saw all the footage of all the animals and all the artwork and all that stuff. So we are definitely having this coffee in the morning. And I might just have to use this on some pancakes or something in the morning. I don't know. But it was good, y'all. So good. I am going to go ahead and mix this up in some sour cream and let that sit there. That way we can have it during the week, tomorrow, whatever we want to do. And I'm going to wash out my new mug because I just absolutely love this. So, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we did place an order for some pizza tonight. I don't feel like cooking because it is already 5 o'clock on Saturday. So I just wanted to take it easy this evening and not have to worry about cooking because I've got to clean up some mess over there. And I'm still trying to work on putting away groceries. I got all the cold stuff put up, so I'm doing pretty good. Whew, I'm tired, but hopefully we'll be getting some good food here soon. But we got some turnovers, and I'm pretty sure that one's Leo's. This one might be mine, but I don't know. They usually put stuff on top of them. That's mine, because I got onions and bacon, mushrooms, and pepperoni. He just got mushrooms, pepperoni, and cheese. So that's what we're going to have for supper tonight. Then we got this delicious sauce to go with it. But I just wanted to say that I appreciate y'all coming along, and I hope y'all enjoyed everything that y'all got to see today at our West Virginia State Fair. And I will catch y'all in the next video. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I love talking with all my friends on here. If you are not subscribed, please think about doing so because it helps me out tremendously. But until next time, my sweet friends, I wish you all the very absolute best. God bless. Bye. And if you need prayers, please let me know below.